Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to generate new trending image using AI for free. So if you're looking for images like this, then it's very possible to get these images using Bing AI. So all you have to do is to go to Bing AI image, create an account, and then you can ask for a prompt or download some images there. So first, you just have to go to your Microsoft Edge web browser and then tap this image creator from Microsoft Designer. And this is what it looks like. So you have to sign up to create an account. And this is where you're going to type your prompt. Actually, you can scroll down and see there are tons of sample AI images there. You can select from any of this and then download. And to go back, if you're looking for something like a man wearing black and white hoodie, actually everything is up to you. But for this tutorial, let's just say I'm looking for this type of image. Okay, a man wearing black and white hoodie in a big city. And let's just say there is a little bit light as a background, something like that. So once you're done with this, what you want to do is to simply click create. And Being AI will show you some examples of the AI images that you're looking for with or from this prompts right here. Okay, so tap create and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. Then the result will appear right here. So you have four choices and all you have to do is just select. You can click one by one, and if you think that there is something you need to change, then you can go back and then change something, type something, and then click create again. And Bing AI will show you another samples of picture because you have changed something here. Okay, so once done, click create and you will see another four AI images. And what you want to do is simply download. So select from any of these images here. And if you want to change something, you can go back and then edit your prompt. And that's it. That's how easy it is to generate new trending image using AI for free. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.